Do you ever walk into a room and instantly feel small, like everyone else belongs there except you? Most people try to fake confidence, but once you understand how this one brain chemical controls your confidence, you're going to be able to flip it in your favor. Serotonin is often called the feel good chemical, but it's more than that. It's your confidence thermostat. When your serotonin is high, you feel calm, secure, and socially in control. You trust your gut. You speak up. You feel worthy. But when it's low, you second guess everything. You overthink that text. You assume people don't like you, even if they do. Low serotonin can turn the most brilliant person into someone who doubts their every move. Most people don't realize their daily routine is draining their serotonin. Lack of sunlight, poor sleep, zero movement, gut issues, isolation. All of these send signals to your brain that you're not safe, not thriving, not worthy. Your brain adapts, it lowers serotonin, and you start seeing the world through a foggy, fearful lens. But you have the power to change how you feel, and it all starts with your brain chemistry. By making a few simple tweaks to your daily routine, you can give your brain the boost it needs to help you feel more confident and in control. Just 10 minutes of sunlight on your face boosts serotonin naturally. Your eyes signal your brain, daylight, life is good. Your body tells your brain how to feel. Slouching tells it you're defeated. Standing tall tells it, I belong here. So go ahead, strike a power pose, and feel the confidence flow through you. 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut. Processed food, sugar, and stress wreck that system. Start simple: fiber, fermented foods, water. A healthy gut equals a confident brain. Every time you express gratitude or complete a task, no matter how small, your brain rewards you. Train it daily. Write three things you're grateful for. Cross one thing off your list. You're literally giving your brain reasons to feel good about you. Short bursts of cold exposure, like a 30-second cold shower, can spike serotonin and dopamine. It teaches your brain, I can handle discomfort and still thrive. Start small. Even 30 seconds can train your brain to choose courage over fear. Serotonin loves human connection. Call a friend, compliment someone, hug longer, look people in the eye. Real connection doesn't just feel good, it reprograms your subconscious to believe, I matter, I'm safe, I belong. You don't need to fake confidence, you just need to give your brain what it's been begging for.